How to redeem bonus codes in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and make sure you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before redeeming any bonus code. Next, tap on the menu icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Then, head to the Other tab, look for the promo option and tap on it. Then, tap on promo code SEC. After that, you will see a section where you can enter your bonus code. Carefully type in your bonus code exactly as given, without any spaces or changes. Then, tap the check button. Once the code is accepted, your bonus should be added instantly to your account. You can go back to the home screen and check your balance or bonus section to view the added rewards. Also, you can visit the promo code store where you can spend your bonus points to buy various promo codes depending on your preference. This is another great way to take advantage of the offers available. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem bonus codes in 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.